Okay, so now consider how to extract the interested pattern from the given file. Okay, so in order to extract the interested pattern from the given file, we have to use the regular expression and we have to import the regular expression into our program. Okay, so and after importing the regular expression, so we want to read from this file ex.txt, we want to read the contents of this ex.txt. So from this file, we want to extract the data which is matching with this pattern. So open the file ex.txt. So open function, it returns the file handler. So using the file handler, we will go through the file line by line like this. Okay, so now consider, so for each line in the file, so access the line from the file. So from this file, we have to search for the data which is matching with this pattern. From the each file, we have to extract the data matching with this pattern. What is this pattern? So here at symbol is there. That means we want to extract the data which is similar to the email IDs. Okay. So that for that, see this one, what pattern we have written. So before the at symbol, at the rate symbol, we should not have any space. Okay, so slash s means not of space. So we should, before the at symbol, we should not have any space, and after the at symbol also we should not have any space. That is slash s means not of space. Plus indicates one or more occurrences of not of space. Okay, so this pattern is enclosed inside the single quote. So that is the syntax. So if you want to extract the data which is matching with this pattern, that pattern should be inside the single quote, and this pattern is the first argument for the find all function. Okay, and the second argument is from the line we want to extract this type of pattern. So that line we have to pass as the second argument for the find all function. Okay, now this find all function we have to call on the regular expression module. So that is why we have written like this, re dot find all. So first argument is the pattern requested, interested pattern from this line, and this find all function, it returns the list. Okay, so it will return the interested pattern as the list element. So that is why here list1 is equal to, in order to receive the pattern, the data from the line. Okay, so finally, if the length of the list one, if this part, at least we have one element in this list one, then we are going to print that list one which will contain the interested pattern. Now see this one here. So ex.txt which contains the pattern first line. So we need to check whether the first line contains the data which is matching with this pattern. Yes, there is a symbol. So there is a data which is which looks like a email ID. Okay, so at symbol is there. Just before the at symbol we don't have any space. So that is not of space, and after the at symbol also we have some characters but not of space, no space. So that is why this pattern is matching with this data in the first line. So we are getting that output. So this is the data matching this pattern in the first line. Now, so for loop, go to the next iteration. So for loop takes the next line from this ex.txt. Again in the next line, so using the re.findAll, we are searching for the data which is matching with this pattern. Here also, see here, at symbol is there. So the pattern, before the at symbol we should not have any space. So here no space, and after the symbol at, so we should not have any space. So this entire data is matching with the given pattern. So that is why here we are getting this output. Okay, so that is how we extract the interested data, okay, which is matching with this pattern from the file. Okay, so similarly here, see this one, just consider the previous example here also. So instead of taking the file, here we have taken the string itself. So the string is initialized with some lengthy sentence. From this lengthy sentence we want to extract only the data which looks like a email ID. Okay, so at symbol should be there, and before the at symbol we should not have any space, and after the at symbol also we should not have any space. See this, in this pattern the plus indicates one or more occurrences of not of space. Okay, so space should not be there. So here see the output for this program. Here also, instead of opening the file, instead of reading the content from the file, so we have provided the string data here itself. So from this string it has to extract the interested pattern. Okay, so import the regular expression. So on this regular expression we are calling the find all function. By providing the pattern, this pattern is to be matched in this string. Okay, so the data is the find all function. It returns the uh, list elements that is stored in the list. So we are printing this one. So see the output. So gmit info dot, so this is the data which is matching with this pattern. Okay, so here at symbol, before the at symbol we don't have any space, after the at symbol we don't have any space. But see this one, here also we have the data which is similar to the mail id, but see here before the at symbol we have a space. Okay, here also before the at symbol we have space, and here after the at symbol we have space. So that is why this pattern is not matching with this data, and it is not. So this pattern is not matching with this data, and this data. So that is why this pattern is matching only with this data. So we are getting this output. This output, it looks like a mail ID which is matching with this pattern. Okay. So now consider the next example. So all these examples, they are showing how we can extract the interested pattern from the input text file, or interested pattern from the given string. So here also see this one. So sometimes see the program. So the difference between this program and this program here. So this program, so we have given the pattern like this. So here the email id which is beginning with some special characters. Okay, so we want to remove these special characters. We want only these characters, python at 6m.com, only this type of email IDs. We want to remove these special characters. So in that case we have to modify the pattern like this. See here, so we have imported the regular expression. So in order to find out the interested pattern, we want to use the module regular expression. So that is why we are importing, and declare the string variable which is initialized with this sentence which contains the interested pattern. Okay, so now here on this regular expression called the find all function, so which should this find all function, it will search for the pattern, the data which is matching with this pattern in this string. See once again, so this find all function, it will search for the data which is matching with this pattern from this string. So the first argument for the find all function is the pattern. Okay, second argument is the string, this string. Okay, so now uh, see here, what is the pattern? The pattern is like this. So the character, the combination of characters or the integers, combination of characters or the integers. So no space, no space. After that we should have the at symbol. After that there is no space, and the at symbol followed by the combination of characters. So a to z, or capital A to z, or small a to z. Okay, so in this string we have to search for this pattern. Find all function, it will search for the data which is matching with this pattern, and that data is returned to y, and we are going to print the y. Okay, see here, so gmit.info.at ac.in. So this data is matching with this pattern. So at before the at symbol we don't have any space, and the characters are there. After the at symbol we have the characters. Okay, so here we are getting this output. So now consider the next example. So how we can extract this type of pattern from the file. So it is very similar example here. So from the file we want to extract this type of pattern. So that is why we have to open the file in the read mode. So file handler is returned to the variable hand. So we need to access the each individual lines from the file using the for loop, file traversal. Okay, so Then we have imported the regular expression because we want to find out the interested pattern from the each line of this file